In this video, we'll show you how to replace the motor controller board of your PUQ press. You need to order the replacement motor controller board with the code displayed on the screen. The tools you need during the following instructions are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flat screwdriver or box cutter. Start with removing the small cover cap from the Allen screw. Press the Set button once. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Set the power button to 0 and wait till the display goes off. Turn the PUQ press upside down and remove the plug from the socket. Loosen the two top plate screws. Remove the top plate. Loosen the ground wire screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from the thread by hand, clockwise. Loosen the 4 drive unit screws. Pull out the drive unit and unclip the cable connector. Loosen the ground wire screw. Remove the drive unit completely. Unclip the 2 cable connectors. Loosen the 2 screws from the IPX cover and remove it. Loosen the 2 screws from the motor controller board frame and remove it. Remove the metal fastener. Remove the controller board together with its frame. Use a small screwdriver to unlock the motor controller board from its frame. Remove the old controller board. Slide the new controller board into its position. Put the motor controller board back in place and tighten the 2 screws from the motor controller board frame. Put the metal fastener back in place. Put the IPX cover back in place and tighten the 2 screws. Reconnect the 2 cable connectors. Tighten the ground wire screw and put the drive unit back in place. reconnect the cable connector. Tighten the 4 drive unit screws. Tighten the tamper base counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Tighten the ground wire screw. Put the top plate back in place. Tighten the 2 top plate screws. Install the power cord and turn on the PUQ press. Press the set button. The tamper base goes back up. Put back the small cover cap from the Allen screw. Let's tamp.